Hello everyone, Gaiman here with another Make Money Online tutorial. So in this video, we are going to look at the Pixsar Media App. So the Pixsar Media App is a way for you to make money online by live streaming. So if you have been looking for a way to make money live streaming your corporate events, concerts, festivals, even your usual lives on the TikTok and YouTube, this app is for you. So how does it pay? We are going to look at all that in this video. Without wasting any time, let's get started right away. But before you get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification button. That way when we release a new Pixsar Media tutorial, you'll be notified. To get started, let's first go through the website. Let's scroll through the website and see what the Pixsar Media is all about. So Pixsar Media App, as I mentioned, is for live streaming, whether it's a wedding, whether it's a concert, whether it's a corporate event, you can live stream and make money from it. And also I mentioned on the other side, besides the B2B, besides the business to business, or besides the businesses, creators, event organizers who are actually going to be creating the events or live streaming and making money. We have the people who are going to be on the other side viewing the live streams. So those are the people that need to download the Pixsar Media app for now in order for them to access the live streams. So once you create the live stream, you'll be given a code or a link to share with your viewers or your audience. Alright, so that's what the Pixsar Media is all about in a few words. But if you want to learn more about the Pixsar Media app, of course, you can do scroll down below. So this is what I just said. The Pixsar Media app brings the favorite live events closer to you for those who are the audience. And if you want to see some of the already created events that I just mentioned, the already live events, you can just click on this button right here, browse events. This is the link for you to access the events that are live. So as I mentioned, once the event is live, a link will be created or a code and it will be shared with you. You can simply type it in here, the code to access the event. So I have an event that I created some few days ago. If I click search right now, I think this is the code that I used, or this is the code that I got, and there you go. You can already see the event. So that's how the people will be accessing the event. And also this part here is for the video that will be recorded from the live event. Okay, and remember, we are going to talk about all this stuff in a few minutes. Alright, what else can you do with the Pixsar Media app? You can share the live photos and the reels on the social media. So you have a button for sharing your photos, your videos right from the Pixsar Media app. As the live goes on, as the event goes on, it's live streaming, you can simply share the photos and videos to update your audience, which is cool, right? Next is this is the part for the business, exploring the Pixsar for business. So at the heart of the successful event, Pixsar Media gives you businesses, or Pixsar Business gives you the tools to provide instant high quality content to your clients and their guests. So whether you are live streaming a wedding, whether you are sharing short clips from a conference, whether you are delivering photos to attendees, this is an all-in-one. Pixsar Media is your all-in-one platform that helps you impress clients with the efficiency and provide a truly enhanced experience for everyone. Okay, so down below we have some of the features for the Pixsar Media app. For example, we have the unlimited storage, we have the instant sharing, AI powered editing. Now this is very cool part, the AI powered editing. So these guys, the Pixsar Media app guys, the Pixsar Media team has actually created a platform almost like the photo editing features or the photo editing app in Canva. They have created it inside the Pixsar Media app. Next is if you have like a wedding, photo book is created for you. The live streaming is made very easy, as I'm going to be showing you. You can go live in minutes using the OBS studio. And then we have the pay-per-view. This is how you monetize. We also have the pricing and then access to all the tools for the creators that you need to monetize and manage your content. Revenue management, tracking the earnings by event, viewing the detailed analytics, everything within the Pixsar Media app dashboard, as I'll be showing you in the next video. So make sure you stick around and make sure you join in the next video. So those are some of the dashboard features for now, but of course I'm going to be showing you everything in detail in the next video. In order to explore the dashboard, you'll have to first sign up. So in the next video, I'll be showing you the onboarding process. Make sure you join in. Lastly, down below in the footer, you can be able to learn more about the business from these links. And then, so how it works is where you go if you want to learn the steps required for you to join the Pixsar Media app. So first of all, we have why choose the Pixsar Media app. Returning fast, secure and reliable 24/7 support and global audience. And then we have the go live in 6 steps. You have the steps for going live down below. Simple process, you create your account, you configure the equipment, or you configure the device, the settings, the dashboard for live streaming, set up your event pricing, whether it's going to be a paid event or a free event, and then you start uploading your content or you just go live. It can be a recording, it can be an actual live event. So if you had recorded it but you wanted to live stream it, you can still do that. So you can monitor the audience engagement, the analytics, performance metrics, all in the dashboard. And then growing your reach, building your brand, like growing following and monetizing with passion. So your success is Pixsar Media's mission. Alright, so this is the part where you just click here and get started by creating your account. So this is the part which we are going to look at in the next video. And I hope this quick intro was helpful. If you did find it helpful, be sure to leave a like and leave some comments if you do have some questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because we'll be bringing more make money online tutorials, especially for the Pixsar Media app. Just getting started. So this part for the business just gives you a quick overview of the steps in a more visual way. Alright, the quick steps for setting up your account, but you're going to keep it to this other page right here, how it works. That's where you're going to, you can also read more about maybe the testimonials, some of the people who have used the app. You can read about their reviews. Just look at this, why choose the Pixsar Media app. No minimum requirements, no editing skills required. You can still have some videos done for you using AI, Pixsar Media's AI. High quality photos delivered instantly, no downsizing your photos or videos. As I said, in the next video, we're going to jump into details on how to use the app. But for now, that's a quick intro for you, and I hope it was helpful. Again, don't forget to leave some likes, leave some comments if you do have some questions, and I hope to see you in the next Pixsar Media story.